right, so last time in Operation Kit Kat, what we did was we identified what we didn't know, and now we went out to collect the information to fill those gaps. So let's take a look. First, we talked to some people at school, some friends of ours, that are familiar and have placement and access here at Area of Interest 1. And they told us some things about it. So what I'm going to do is right-click and go to Properties. And here in the description box, I'm going to type the information that they gave us. They said about 50% of the houses have decorations, and very few had full-size candy bars. There we go. So I'm going to click OK on that. So now when I click on this hyperlink, this blue link right here, that'll pop up here in the description box. So that's what we know about Area of Interest 1. And then we talked to some people about Area of Interest 2. And I'm going to do the same thing. Right-click Properties to go to the Edit mode. And in here, I'm going to put 80% have decorations, and many houses gave out full-size candy bars. And click OK. And now when I click on this, it says that. So off of that information that we were able to collect on these two areas, we're now going to make Area of Interest 2 our target area. So what I'm going to do is right-click, add another folder. I'm going to call this Target Area. And I could draw the polygon again, so I have that polygon in there to represent our target area. Or, since I've already done it once, just right-click, Copy, Area of Interest 2 polygon, right-click, Paste to have it a second time. And then if I want this one to be a different color to represent a targeted area, I'm just going to change that to our, I think I'll go with this orange color, very Halloween type of color. And now this is our targeted area that has a lot of decorations, which would be an indicator that this is where we want to go, and they give out good candy bars. Once I'm done with all that, I file, save my places. So what I want you to do is the same thing. Go in to edit each of your polygons that we identified earlier and put the information that you collected in those description box. Off of that information, choose one of those polygons as your target area, create a target area folder, move that polygon into that folder, maybe change the way it looks, and then save my places. Once you do that, come back for the next video and we'll start planning our operation. Thanks for watching, and map your world.